back to my channel. Before you date an Igbo man, make sure you have the below criteria I'm about mentioning now. Make sure you do have them 100%, even 100%, 99%, okay? Never show superiority to an Igbo man. Never show superiority to an Igbo man. Sis, bring down your shoulder, okay? Igbo man has ego to the point of pomposity. No matter your background, your family background, educational success, never try to prove to an Igbo man that he's inferior. Never. Like never, sis. He's the king of his jungle. Never tell him that another guy dresses better than him or that another guy speaks better than him. Igbo men, we don't care about English. You can use L and R anywhere, but money speaks for us, okay? So don't even try to compare them with someone who dresses well or someone who speaks better than them or someone who is a better gentleman than them, okay? Period. Also, cooking. I cannot overemphasize it. They love their tummy. Igbo men love their tummy. You should know how to cook very well. If you want to, okay? If you want an Igbo man in your life, okay? You should know how to cook. Go and learn how to cook different delicacies. 80% of Igbo men, their tummy is what speaks for them. Example, Davido. Never ask an Igbo man for money. Never ask an Igbo man for money.
40,000 naira.
There's this saying that says Igbo men spend a lot of money in relationship, right? In as much as they do. We all know they do, but do not come off asking. It reminds them of the situation that Igbo men dispenses money foolishly, like ATM machine. Like it reminds them that they are stupid, because most people say, Igbo man, you just say, okay, Chuku, okay, the container, is it back? Okay, give 2 million naira to this person, 10 million naira. So if you're coming off as always asking for money, like it clicks on their head that this girl is here just to eat them. This girl is just here to finish their money and go. Like it reminds them of that saying. Instead of asking an Igbo man for money, buy him gifts. No matter how little, buy him singlets, buy fruit in the house. You're going to his house, buy fruits. You know, do the other small things that is not even real. That won't even cost you 500 naira, 1000 naira, and watch him take you to heaven. Watch him buy you the best gift, but do not ask them for money. They don't like you asking them for money. I don't know. And some are taking very advantage of this. Because of this, they don't even do what they're supposed to do, but 80% knows what I am supposed to do and they will do it. Trust me. Never correct an Igbo man in public. Their ego will not allow them. See, their ego will not even allow them to accept when you've corrected them inside the house. Talk more to the public. Do not correct an Igbo man in a public. See, my brothers, I'm also an Igbo. My brothers can be talkative. My brothers, they can talk. They can be talkative. And many mix up tenses and even say I love you instead of I love you. The public, leave it for him like that, okay? But just smile, okay? Just smile against. Don't even try to correct him in public, because see, it can come off very wrong. If you correct him in public, he has made that wrong mistake, but he will even make more, and even shout it and even be proving right, and you even get more ashamed. So it's better that one you just hear, just pack one side. Don't even say anything. So you don't even use more tenses that are going to be going hello instead of in public, and you even get more ashamed, okay? So don't even try to correct an Igbo man in the public. Another thing here is try to speak Igbo. Don't be coming off as this Ajibo that doesn't speak Igbo. See, don't be coming off as that, okay? They can speak English, no matter the mistake hello for or thing. Some people do it like that, but they can still speak, right? So don't even come off as someone that doesn't speak Igbo. Speak Igbo around them. Just be yourself. Speak Igbo. You know, they like people. They like culture. They have like tradition. So they love girls that can actually speak Igbo. They love girls that can actually use their mother's tongue very, very well. Seriously, it's not like English is not going to come in between your discussion. But just don't keep yourself as someone that speaks only English and don't speak Igbo. Like, they actually love girls that are beautiful, girls that are educated, girls that are very you know, very out there, and yet they speak Igbo very well, and the notice skills are very free as well. So just be that kind of girl, okay? I'm giving you guys tease here. I know this video might favor me, might not favor me, but I don't mind because I'm here to help out my girls who are interested in having things to do with an Igbo man. Period. You must have manners. Seriously, girl. Seriously, my girls, you have to have manners. Like, you must have manners. Manners, I mean, is some girls just like intruding in the midst of, you know, they always like to show themselves. Like, example, your guys are hanging out with fellow guys and they are discussing, your eavesdropping. Next thing you contribute your opinion. Man, that thing is, it's so annoying. Manners is very, very important when you're hanging around with an Igbo man because they detect all this very, very fast. You have to have your manners top notch, okay? Last but not the least, I just said now, stop forming. Stop forming. They dictate people that are forming very easily. See, Igbo men are very smart. That is the reason why we will not go stop to the call Igbo man for Nigeria. Igbo man here, Igbo man there. If you stop us, we'll go the other way around and we'll still make it. We are smart, so we detect easily people that are forming, people that are not their self, people that just want something to, you know, that kind of thing. We detect it very, very easily. So guys, these are the things that you have to know before you get down with an Igbo man. Just know this amongst others. Remember, this week is everything about Igbo men. So I'm dropping the teas. Piam, 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 piam. I'll see you guys in my next video, okay? If you've not subscribed to my channel, please try to do so. Share this video as well. Like this video because when you do that, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people for me. And also, I'm going to love it, okay? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned. This week's video, very lit. It's all about Igbo men, Igbo men, Igbo men. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.
She said, baby, I'm afraid to fall in love.